Hey everyone, this is our iteration planning meeting for the product marketing group for digital experience for May 23rd. I'm going to hand this over to Jess. We could chat about our iteration.
Thanks. I've got a bunch of things on my docket. It's just going to depend on who gets content back to me first, probably. So, one thing carrying over from last sprint is the code suggestions landing page. Um, and then I've also got the DevSecOps page is still kind of figuring out what to do there as well. And then for this sprint, I know dedicated landing page is also going to be a big one. So hopefully that one will be prioritized based on content. And then if the analytics and dashboards content team gets back, we'll try and do that one as well. And I've also got something for the growth team to keep me busy if no one gets back to me. So I'm just gonna play it all by ear this sprint and see how it goes. And I will pass it to Laura.
Thanks. Yeah, this iteration, I got a quick page build for the AWS Reinforce event. So I'm using our existing template to just build out a page for that. And then there's a little issue for fixing UTM parameters on the Y Ultimate and Premium pages. Looks like there's a page refresh that's happening that's causing those parameters to disappear. I also saw someone posting in one of the Slack channels that one of our topics pages that's still over in www is the header is rendering weirdly, so we'll probably just migrate that over to the new template in buyer experience. And I'll probably have time to grab a few more items throughout the sprint as well. And I'll pass it to Mateo.
Thank you, Laura. So first I have a couple of high priority items, which is the Chicago board tour page, which has to go live tomorrow, and then removing the competitive pages. I also have a couple of OpenMRs. I will be doing any feedback on those. They are customer page migrations. And also we'll be looking into a bug for Marketo, which is showing up a JS error in the console, and then adding lazy loading to some pages, the components in some pages. And that's it for me. I'll pass it over to Miguel.
Thank you. For this iteration, my main focus will be a first draft of the code suggestions component. So I will be putting up a review up for that, and I'll pass it to Jess for a review, a design review, so we can iterate on there. And then I will do a mobile fix for the resources component, which are right now getting like pushed down a little bit the descriptions. And finally, I will replace the features partial pages we have to be now handled in the synced features that data file. So I will be doing that, and that will be my iteration. I'll pass it over to Alvis.
Okay, well, in this iteration, I will be working on a new solution page with the topic of inner source, open source, but for our company. Okay, that will be the main task in the sprint. And also I will be working on fixing some typo in the slippers library, some icon. There is a missing typo. So fix that and fix all the current implementation of the icon. Also add some CTI in the hero of the customers page. Maybe fix some content for some customers page migrations. Work on any open issue that will show on the week. And that's it for me. And I'm the last one. So that's it.
Thanks, everyone.